Welcome to part 3 of my CapCut editing series. In the last two parts, we learned the basics and started leveling up our editings. Hello, I'm Maryam and welcome back to my channel, Live and Learn with Maryam. Today, we're diving even deeper into CapCut's powerful tools to make our videos look super professional. So let's jump right in. First up, we have the split tool. This tool helps you cut your video into smaller clips. For this, you simply need to click on this button above the timeline and it will split the video into smaller clips. It basically automatically identifies and splits the scenes, so you can rearrange, delete, or edit specific parts without affecting the rest of your project. It's one of the most important editing tools you'll use again and again. Next, let's talk about keyframes. I'm, for example, adding a pulse zoom effect to our clip. For that, place the playhead at the point in your clip where you want the animation to start. Then tap on the diamond-shaped keyframe icon. This marks your first keyframe. Now move the playhead forward and zoom into your clip. A second keyframe will be added automatically. Similarly, keep moving ahead to clarify the positions of the clip throughout the effect. When you play the clip, you'll see that the CapCut smoothly transitions from the first keyframe to the last, creating a pulse zoom effect. You can add as many keyframes as you like to create advanced movements. Like you can rotate a clip, slide it from one side to another, or even combine keyframes with masking for really creative effects. So come, let's learn masking. Select the clip you want to mask. I'll put it over another clip for a better effect. Then tap on the mask option. Here we get different shape options. You can select any of these. That's it. Masking allows you to cut or hide specific areas of your video. It's perfect when you want to combine two clips creatively or highlight only a part of video, using different shapes like circles, rectangles, or even custom text. It's perfect when you want to combine two clips creatively or highlight only a part of your video. To take it further, you can combine masking with keyframes. This lets you reveal or hide parts of your video gradually, which looks super cool for transitions or creative effects. For that, start by applying a mask to your clip. I'll select this split mask, place the playhead at the beginning and adjust the mask where you want it to start. We add keyframes to our mask just the way we added keyframes to a normal clip in the previous chapter. The only difference here is that you need to make changes to the mask's position, size, or angle instead of the whole clip. See? Now let's try the freeze tool. This creates a still frame out of your video, like pausing time for a dramatic moment. For this, you simply need to select the clip, place the playhead where you want to freeze it, then click on the freeze button just above the timeline. As simple as that. Great for tutorials, highlights, or comedy edits. Moving on, we have video stabilization. If your video is shaky and you want to fix this problem, you can select the clip on this top right panel, scroll down to find Stabilize button. From this drop down, I'll select Most Stable to get the best result, and CapCut will do the magic. This tool crops and adjusts it to make everything look smooth and steady. This is perfect for handheld shots. Next is stickers. To add one, we can directly click on the Stickers tab on the Assets panel and select from these. You can add fun, animated, or themed stickers to your video to make it more engaging and creative. Now let's try the reverse tool. This plays your clip backward, which is great for fun effects or rewinding the moments. To reverse, you can select a clip, then hover to select the reverse option from the drop-down. Did you see the difference? With the mirror tool, you can flip your video or image vertically. Just select the clip and apply the feature. This works really well for symmetrical effects or just to add variety. CapCut also gives us a background eraser for videos. Just select the clip and apply. You can remove the background without a green screen and replace it with anything you like. Another amazing feature is overlay. For this, let's explore CapCut's free media library. You get access to free photos and videos that you can use in your projects without worrying about copyright. So I chose this clip and added it to the timeline. For overlay, I'll simply pick the clip and drop it above the background clip. If you feel the need, you may adjust the duration and done. Let's add a background music. If you want to take the audio from any video on your device to use it directly in your CapCut project, then you can use CapCut's audio extractor tool, which allows you to take the audio from any video on your device and use it directly in your CapCut project. Finally, let's check out the audio fade in and out. This smooths out the beginning and ending of your audio, so there are no sudden starts or stops. It makes your video sound much more professional. Now that we've covered all these tools, let's export the project and see the final result together. And that's a wrap up for part 3 of our CapCut editing series. In part 4, we'll dive into even more advanced tricks to make your videos look next level. So don't miss it. If you're enjoying this series, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the part 4. See you there.